Vai? Digo, Charlie. Ele não foi verificação de Jason, então.
Um, on rectification, on August 19, via 24 hours, I accused Mr. Richard Franken of serious allegations. I want the government to know, I want AHATA to know, I want the Aruba Ports Authority to know, I want the Timeshare Association, I want the Tax Department to know, I want the police, immigration, and the Labor Department to know that my accusations are baseless and that I have no proof of the merits of those accusations. They are not true, and I should not have said so. I was approached by someone and instructed by him to make those baseless accusations. I was misused by that person. I never witnessed Mr. Richard Franco do anything wrong in his businesses. None of his businesses are a scam. All of his businesses are legit, are companies that offers excellent services and products to tourists and locals. I'm not aware that Mr. Richard Franker or one of his companies has ever evaded taxes. It never came to my attention that Mr. Richard Franken is paying the police, the immigration, and the Labor Department money under the table for anything. I was never threatened, mistreated, or harmed in any way by Mr. Richard Franken. Mr. Richard Franken and his companies does not owe me or my girlfriend Crystal any amount or whatsoever. After my statement on August 19, no one has come to me with anything bad, wrong, illegal about Richard Franken or his companies. I would like to apologize to Mr. Richard Franken, the police, the immigration and labor department, and to anyone else that was harmed by my baseless accusations.
Então, a oportunidade de uma pergunta, que motivava a acusação aqui, tá tem gente atrás disso aqui.
No further comments. By law, I'm not allowed to say anything else.
All right, well, thank you, no?
All right, thank you.